What's up, people? Today I have my mic on, so I think I'm gonna use, hang on, because it's Finn Day, I'm gonna use Finn or Flutter, because they both start. Hello! Frankie, shut up. Okay, I'm sorry, okay. Okay, should I be Louie or Yatta, y'all? Because I think, I'm gonna be Roger, just in case V comes, so I can get more research. And don't mind my goofy R trinkets, okay? Don't mind my goofy R trinkets. I have totally 0 trinkets. Okay, my humor is bad. Come on, let's go. Okay, we got that. I really need this. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make a long run. Let's see how many people join. Okay. Guys, don't mind why my name is Quelva Friend. Because I changed it. It used to be Big Fan. Hang on, I'm gonna change my name. Okay, by the way, if you want to friend me on Roblox, make sure you get this exact one. By the way, I'm going to change... What? It's been 7 days. Let me change it. Or just type up GraceHef17. Yeah, that's also my underscore name. I have lots of friends that know my channel. Yep.
They don't know that we were for YouTuber.
Shut up, even no one. Look. So you joined. Play this game if you're bored. Item owned. And by the way, if I get reported, I might not be able to friend you. I'll make videos when I do get reported. Brother, may I have some oats? I'm starving, brother. Okay. Kill Dandy in fun ways. What the hell? Some ways to die. Some ways to die. Some ways to die. Shh. Shh. Okay. It don't work on felt. You need to use the tape. The double-sided tape don't work on felt. Okay.
It does, it's just I can't peel it.
It's hard to use it on felt, that's
It's
right.
hard to peel.
Yeah, no, it's not gonna work. Okay, see your iPad percent, maybe. Why is your iPad percent so bad?
I told you it charges slow.
I thought you said it charges quick. Okay, this is Louie, long run. Hang on, does it charge while you play? I think you should go on the bed. You'll be fine. This is on mic right now.
Oh yeah, hello guys. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah, no one cares about you. We kind of need. Louie is a distractor, bruh.
Right, we're gonna play some games and then we can talk.
Yeah, but I'm already recording, so basically. Okay. Why don't you join me on Danny's one? Why is there 2 Rogers? There's supposed to be 1. Okay, well. I'm gonna be. Professional gambler time. Professional gambler time. Let's go gambling. Okay, no, that sounds weird when I do that. Let's go gambling. Okay, you better join for my sis. Wait for my sis. Host. I'm the host. Oh my god. They are so dumb. Holy crap. Okay. I'm sorry I've been in lobby so long. Okay. I think we've decided that me and my sis are going to do a normal run. Well, a duo, basically. How did your iPad die? ABC for me. Okay, ABC for me. No, I just have this really. Yeah, belly ache. You're not a baby ache. A baby. The baby. The baby caca. Baby caca. Yeah. No, it's caca on poo caca. What's the password? Caca on poo caca. There's no easy one. The poo, the pee and the caca and poo. Guys, I'm so sorry we've been in the lobby for so long. Okay, just skip. No, my annoying friend joined. Oswald joined. No! He's their annoying friend! Why is he shrimp? Okay. I don't know, I don't like it much. I waffle. Grace, it's Poppy. Oh, nah! No. Why am I going in this way? I don't know. Oh, wait, is my... Oh, yeah. Oh, I only have blushy bat. Nah, crazy. No, did you join? I juked him. I wish I got my clown horn and ribbon spool back. I juked Oswald, so now he's in that run. He probably thinks I'm in that run. Okay, do we host or... Yes, queen! Okay, shut up. Yes, queen! ABC Lepro 1. I want that straight. Oh my god, that's me, bro. That's me, broski. Hang on, I'm gonna play as Brittany. Actually, no, I'm gonna play as Connie. Wait, actually, no, I'm gonna play as Yetta. Oh. Edit that! don't know how to edit. No, it's fine. It's fine. It probably didn't even. Okay. I distracted, by the way. Candy, candy, candy.
Are you saying free candy?
No, it's a song. Candy, 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 cookie. Bruh.
It says cigarette.
Bruh. Candy, 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 cookie, candy, candy, chocolate, candy. Candy, 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 cookie, candy, candy, chocolate. Okay. I can't edit. Why am I don't want to be in this picture. Never mind. Never mind. Hang on, I'm not gonna